The United States Air Force is retiring its fleet of CV-22 Osprey aircraft. This versatile aircraft, known for its unique tilt-rotor design, has been a workhorse for Special Operations Forces. Now, as an opinion, India could potentially consider purchasing these retired Ospreys. This move could significantly bolster India's defense capabilities. However, it also presents challenges that require careful consideration. The Osprey's ability to take off and land like a helicopter while flying at the speed of a turboprop aircraft makes it a valuable asset. India, with its diverse terrain and long borders, could benefit from the Osprey's unique capabilities. In this essay, we will examine the potential benefits and drawbacks of India acquiring the CV-22 Osprey. The CV-22 Osprey is a technological marvel. Its defining feature is its tilt-rotor system. This system allows the aircraft to seamlessly transition between vertical takeoff and landing and conventional flight. The Osprey accomplishes this through two powerful engines housed in rotating nacelles at the wingtips. For takeoff and landing, the nacelles are positioned vertically, acting like helicopter rotors. Once airborne, the nacelles rotate forward, converting the Osprey into a turboprop aircraft. This dual functionality gives the Osprey an unparalleled operational range and speed compared to traditional helicopters. It can reach speeds of over 300 miles per hour, significantly faster than most helicopters. Additionally, the Osprey boasts an impressive range of over 1,000 miles. The Osprey's unique capabilities could be a game-changer for India's defense posture. Its ability to access remote areas quickly and efficiently makes it ideal for a variety of missions. The Indian Armed Forces could deploy the Osprey in several key roles. Firstly, the Osprey is perfectly suited for special operations. Its long range and high speed would allow Indian Special Forces to rapidly insert and extract troops from hostile territory. Secondly, India faces frequent natural disasters. The Osprey's agility and capacity for carrying significant payloads would be invaluable in disaster relief efforts. It could transport personnel, supplies, and equipment to disaster-stricken areas inaccessible by conventional means. Finally, incorporating the Osprey would represent a significant step in modernizing India's military. Section 4. The price of versatility. Costs, maintenance, and safety concerns. While the Osprey offers undeniable advantages, acquiring it comes with challenges. The most immediate concern is the cost. Purchasing and operating a fleet of retired CV-22s will require a significant financial investment. India would need to factor in the costs of acquisition, maintenance, spare parts, and training for pilots and ground crews. The Osprey's complex mechanical systems require specialized maintenance. India would need to either develop domestic expertise or rely on foreign contractors, both options with their own set of challenges. Beyond the financial aspects, safety concerns also exist. The Osprey has had a troubled safety record in its early years. While upgrades have improved its safety, ensuring the operational safety of these aircraft would be paramount. Section 5. A balancing act. Geopolitical implications of the Osprey acquisition. India's potential acquisition of the Osprey carries geopolitical weight. The move would likely be interpreted as a signal of strengthening ties with the United States. The US, by making these aircraft available to India, demonstrates a willingness to support India's military modernization and growing regional influence. However, the purchase could also raise concerns among India's neighbors. Pakistan, in particular, might view the acquisition of such advanced military technology as a threat. India would need to carefully navigate these diplomatic complexities. Open communication with neighboring countries about the intended use of the Osprey and a commitment to transparency could help mitigate any potential tensions. Section 6. The verdict. Does the Osprey fit India's defense vision? The decision of whether or not to acquire the CV-22 Osprey is a complex one. The aircraft's unique capabilities hold undeniable allure. offering India a potent tool for various military and humanitarian operations. Its acquisition would undoubtedly enhance India's military capabilities and project an image of strength. However, the financial burden, technological challenges, and potential geopolitical ramifications cannot be ignored. Ultimately, the decision hinges on a careful analysis of India's strategic priorities, budgetary constraints, and risk tolerance. If India can effectively address the challenges associated with acquiring and operating the Osprey, it could prove to be a valuable asset in safeguarding its interests and fulfilling its regional and global ambitions. The Osprey's second act, if it takes place in India, could be even more significant than its first.